This city never forgives mistakes, not even small ones.
Another big engine, small problem or big one?
Sir, good morning. I'm a certified mechanic. May I take a look? Here?
On the road.
Haven't opened the bonnet yet.
I already know what I need.
Fabat request, Mercedes-Benz G65 fuel sensor. Finally, technology understands business. Original parts verified.
You people planned this? No, sir. Fabat did. I already know what I need. And the original responding. Original parts, verified. And the right partner is already responding.
Kunle, original parts verified.
You know, I invest in systems at scale. I just want to think systems at scale. I just want to fix cars and grow honestly.
I want my business to reach everywhere.
Then you're not just fixing engines. You're building a community. Your number one mobile app that connects vehicle owners to certified auto technicians and auto parts vendors for genuine parts. Fabat, making life easier is our priority.